All right, time now for better food. It is a full house in the kitchen today. We're talking about the Battle of the Chefs coming up in Ridgefield in a couple of weeks.
And joining us are 3 of the 6 chefs that will be competing. Theyre Bouissou of Sarah's Wine Bar, Michealsen Jr. of Bartolo, and Bernard Bouissou of Bernard's of Ridgefield. Yes, these two are married.
Yeah, which is going to be great. They're going to tell us what to expect this year, and then to help them prepare, we are each going to pair up with a chef to see who can make the best guacamole. This looks really good. So you're married, and you're going to stay married. And you said
Yes.
off air, you said he loses.
Either way, if he wins, he loses.
If he wins, he loses, which I love. If he loses, then that's good. That's
So
perfect.
either way, and in real life, these two are on a team together against you. So, but today we're making guacamole, and I guess I didn't realize there were so many different ways we can do it. But feel free, we're gonna, as we get going, you guys get to tell us a little about what kind of guacamole are you making?
It's basically, I learned a recipe from Mexican, actually, soon I moved in this country, and I was the first Mexican who used to work at a circuit, and he taught me how to make a real Mexican guacamole.
Well,
so
begin.
I'm gonna do that one.
On your mark, get set, go.
And Sarah says crab meat.
I'll do mine with crab meat.
Now, the key is a really ripe avocado, isn't it?
Yes.
That's what you want.
Yeah.
Okay.
I love how easy that is, right?
Oh,
And
the
I
pit,
love that, the pit,
yeah.
the whole 9 yards. And if we can help you at all,
Yeah,
ask
we don't want to
Kara.
mess you up, but you can.
You want
All
to
right.
spoon those into here?
Oh, sure, absolutely.
So you've got the
thank you.
guacamole going. How many? You're going to use?
Art.
All of you seem to be using like 2 full.
Two, that should
Yeah,
be
I think
enough.
it's
Now at the actual event, people can come. This is going to be happening. What's the date again?
June 2nd.
June 2nd. So that's a Sunday, and people can come, and they're going to be able to watch you guys do it. It's going to be like Chopped, where they give you guys a basket, and you all just have to create something,
Exactly.
Right.
Exactly.
right? Okay.
Yes, I'm making food.
You are.
Sometimes
incredible.
it's tough to get out, a little brown.
But guacamole is kind of, I was saying to Scott earlier before the show that it was the first thing I learned to make out of a cookbook by myself. It was actually the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook when I moved out, because I saw someone make it tableside, and I'm like, that's it? It's mashed avocado with spices?
You can put other things, you know, like to put a dice of tomato, a dice of onion, I put some lime zest inside.
Lime zest,
lime
okay.
juice, some cilantro in there also.
And you
And
guys are all
jalapeno.
chopping your guacamole. You're not waiting to just mush it. You're going to chop it
Yeah,
first.
that give a little piece to it, which is nice.
I don't know if it's a marital thing, but they're both chopping tiny. And yours is bigger.
We're big and chunky over here.
Yes. We're going for the scoop.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, and I love how you dice them up.
So
they
far,
just
you're
come out
all
so
about equal.
easily.
You're putting your avocados in the bowls. Now we're going to see what they add.
There you go.
It smells amazing in here. Makes me
You didn't need the skins, did you?
No.
Okay,
Good to go.
because they're in the garbage by now.
Good
little
to go.
salt
So you little
going in for
little
you.
Salt.
All right.
All right.
So I'm gonna put some tomato
Give her a
in
little
there for this
condiment
mixture.
right
here.
Okay. So we can add some
Tomato,
cilantro.
nice
Add
bit
just
of
a little bit?
onion.
Oh, nice handful.
A nice
Pretty
handful?
fine.
Oh, that's
Tomatoes,
beautiful.
onions, green pepper.
Those are jalapeno.
Okay, cilantro.
Oh,
Wheels.
jalapeno.
Go to
Cilantro in
onion.
there.
Onion.
I'm gonna put some lime zest in there.
Lime
too.
zest. Oh, okay.
Yeah, to give it extra flavor.
What was that last
Okay.
thing?
And the
Some
last
garlic.
thing is a little chive in there too. Put
Little
in there.
chive,
Yeah,
okay.
2 different onions.
2 different onions. Okay.
Okay.
Put some juice.
All right. Now you've added some tomatoes and
Jalapeno.
onions.
How much?
Similar.
I put a.
We're gonna do
start
some
with a
zest
little
as
bit,
well.
you know,
A little
maybe
bit.
half,
I'm
and
going to
then
do mine kind of a layered.
You can always make it spicier.
Exactly. Okay. Very good.
Some juice.
Now, the base, I don't know
No
if it's because you're
tomato?
married,
We're
but
gonna
the
fold the
base of your
tomato in.
guacamoles
Okay.
is quite similar. But yours is going to take a turn when you add crab meat and some, those flowers?
gonna be
We've got some chive flowers from our garden.
Oh.
Picked them this morning.
Isn't that beautiful?
Throw one of these.
And you guys all live in Ridgefield?
Bernard and I do.
Okay. Art, you're in.
Yeah, I'm in Newtown.
Oh, nice.
Salt.
All right, so we've got about 2.5 minutes for you guys to finish. So, Art, tell us a little bit about Bartolo.
Bartolo is a nice 45-seat restaurant in Ridgefield.
Okay.
We're in the midst of an expansion right now that we're really excited about. We're going to be adding a bar
Oh, how awesome.
and about 30 more seats.
Oh, that's
So, yeah.
And then we can head over to Ridgefield. Sarah, you've got a wine bar.
We've got Bernard's and Sarah's Wine Bar. Bernard's is on the main floor. Sarah's Wine Bar is upstairs.
Oh, you have your own little woman cave up there.
Exactly. And I've got a catering business as well, so I do off-premise catering.
There we go.
Okay. So now you're gonna, so just, this is important
So
for
this
the
is-
at-home chef. You're gonna do that to make it look pretty?
Exactly, if I didn't spill all over.
Oh, it's just like Chopped, right? But and so you're putting all the base of your guacamole in first.
I love
Yes.
how they do that with the mold. Got about a minute and a half.
That's where we're gonna
Oh,
add our
Bernard's
tomato.
using little
We're throwing in our tomato
silver
right now.
And
ramekin
our
type
secret
molds.
ingredient is our thick-cut smoky bacon.
All right.
Now you're just using the juice.
We're gonna have a little bacon
now
fat in
here-
there,
Bacon fat.
and we're gonna fold in the rest of our bacon.
Oh, I knew I smelled bacon
I know,
this
we
morning.
smelled the whole
And I thought,
newsroom
what am
smelled
I
the bacon.
So
Bacon
you're
makes
putting
everything better,
bacon and
right?
bacon fat in your guacamole. That's interesting.
Yeah.
Look
Here
how
we're going to do a
beautiful
little
that
tuna
looks.
tartare.
Oh, you're doing tuna tartare on top of
On
yours.
top, yeah.
And you're doing crab salad on top of yours.
Isn't that beautiful? I think ours is the best. I don't know. Right? It's the only reason,
Just because you helped him.
just because I helped.
So this is, sort of inspiring for the at-home chef, is that you can make your basic guacamole recipe and then you're
put this
layering it
in
almost
here.
like a cake. Both of you added olive oil.
We use olive oil in our.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right,
We
so
have about, how much time, Chase? About
30
in the whole
segments, so we
segment.
need time. Figure 15
We're gonna
seconds, then we need to
garnish
try
it right here
your...
with some bacon.
Okay.
Oops, sorry.
Scott, you want to get forks ready?
Yeah,
Or a
sure.
chip or something? I guess they're chips.
There you go.
Oh, look how pretty. That looks like tomato, but that's not. It's tuna.
It's tuna,
There you go.
exactly.
Yeah.
Okay, and yours is crab. Okay. In case, and then yours is the bacon over there.
Beautiful.
Tracy, are we supposed to try them all?
I think so.
Okay, so we try them all. Okay. All
There you
right.
go.
I'll start with the tuna one over here.
That is amazing.
Garnish. Garnish.
Make sure you get some of the crab meat.
It's
A
really
little
good.
garnish.
Little garnish, okay.
Oh, Sarah, that's wonderful too.
The tuna's really good. The crab is really. Let me see.
You're all
Oh,
winners.
yours is pretty, Bernard.
You put microgreens. Now let's go see the one with the bacon fat.
There you go.
They're all delicious.
You can't go wrong with bacon.
I'm gonna try the last one right now.
I'm gonna pick. I'm gonna pick Sarah's.
Yay!
Art, I know I helped you, but I'm
All
picking
right,
Sarah's.
they're all so
They're
good.
all so good. They
But,
really
but
are.
I'm not trying to just give something to Art, but I really like the bacon fat is interesting. I love them all, but I'm
All
going to
right.
pick the bacon fat.
Well, as
and
we-
I'm going to pick the tuna because I want everyone to be winners.
Again, Battle of the Chefs Dueling Duos is Sunday, June 2nd from 4 to 7 at Founders Hall on Danbury Road in Ridgefield. You can buy tickets and reserve your seat online at founders-hall.org.
You
Guys,
really
thank
can't
so
lose with
much.
guacamole.
It was
I
a lot
mean,
of
it's
fun.
so good.